Using Venmo gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to add funds to your Venmo account. Follow these steps to successfully redeem and use your gift card. Step 1. Check your gift card balance. Before you start, make sure to check the balance on your Venmo gift card. You can usually do this by visiting the card issuer's website or calling the customer service. Step 2. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's App Store. Step 3. Navigate to the Manage Balance section. In app, go to the Manage Balance section. This is typically found in a menu or by tapping on your profile picture. Look for the option to add funds to your Venmo account. Step 4. Select Add Funds. Choose the option to add funds or redeem gift card. You will be prompted to enter the gift card details, including the card number and any PIN if required. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. After entering the gift card information, review the details and confirm the transaction. Once completed, the funds will be added to your Venmo balance, and you can start using them for payments. Now you can enjoy using your Venmo gift card funds for transactions. If you encounter any issues, refer to Venmo's help section for assistance.